In 1955, the world was celebrating a medical miracle, the first polio vaccine. But within weeks, something went terribly wrong. A tragedy unfolded that left thousands of children infected, hundreds paralyzed, and several dead, all because of one critical failure in pharmaceutical manufacturing. At the time, polio was one of the most feared diseases on the planet. Parents were terrified, schools were closing, and thousands of children were being crippled every year. So, when Dr. Jonas Salk introduced the first polio vaccine, the world saw it as a ray of hope, a life-saving breakthrough. To meet the huge demand, several pharmaceutical companies were authorized to manufacture the vaccine. One of them was Cutter Laboratories in California. But during the production process, Cutter failed to properly inactivate the poliovirus. The vaccine was supposed to contain a dead virus, but instead, several batches still contained live poliovirus, enough to infect thousands. As these faulty vaccines were administered, the nightmare began. Over 200,000 children received the doses. Within days, panic spread. Children were getting polio right after vaccination. Around 40,000 developed mild polio, 200 were left permanently paralyzed, and at least 10 children lost their lives. It became one of the darkest tragedies in pharmaceutical history. So what caused this disaster? Experts identified several failures: poor viral inactivation, lack of proper QC testing, weak government oversight, pressure to produce vaccines as fast as possible, no standardized GMP guidelines at that time. This wasn't just a scientific failure. It was a failure of quality, compliance, and responsibility. The Cutter incident shocked the world and forced governments to take immediate action. This tragedy led to strong good manufacturing practices, GMP, mandatory batch release testing, strict quality control protocols, robust vaccine safety regulations. In simple terms, this incident reshaped the entire pharmaceutical industry. The Cutter incident reminds us that in the pharmaceutical industry, quality is not just a procedure, it is a protection for human life. Even a small mistake can have devastating consequences. And that is why QC, QA, validation, and regulatory compliance exist today, to ensure that tragedies like this never happen again. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more powerful stories from pharmaceutical history.